Let's cook some halibut. When you take your halibut out of the packages, or like we did when we caught them fresh in Alaska not too long ago, I had them flash frozen, and some of the thinner ones are over here, so kind of overlap a little bit of the thicker ones on top of that really thin part here to make sure they're fully thawed out, but it'll give it a uniform thickness all the way around. That way when you cook it, it should all cook uniformly. Also put some of these jumbo prawns in here on top, some butter, just some olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic, and that's it. We're gonna put it in the oven for 400 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes, and see how it comes out. It should flake right off. Also, one more thing, take the skin off the back of the fillets. That's what I did anyway. Some people like the skin, but I think it cooks better without it, especially when you're eating with just a fork, no knife. It's easy to cut. Also cut away any bones that might be in the fillets, but there still might be some. Just tell your guests about that, and always take off the tails of the shrimp. Again, some people like to keep those on for garnish purposes, but I like to take them off. Just have everything edible right away. Cover with foil. Once that oven is preheated, pop that sucker in. Right there, casserole dish. So the time to cook can vary on your oven, convection, and the different temperatures you might use for cooking the fish. Our convection at 400 actually sets it at 375. It's supposed to cook faster, but it's not. Should we feed the kitty some halibut? Okay, I did use these in a pinch, but if you have real ones, use real ones. Feed the kitty cats? They look like they're smelling the halibut. All right, let's take a quick look here. Ooh, it's turning out nice. Not quite done yet. The shrimp still has a little gray in it, and the thicker part of the fish, if I pull it back, is still not flaking in the middle. Even though this will still cook a little bit out of the oven, it's gonna take a little bit longer. Cool fish plates for the serving. Oh yeah, much better. Notice it's all orange. It's still nice and juicy. It's not too dry. You can pull some of the fish back and take a look at some of the thicker pieces, and the flakes right off. It's exactly what you want it to look like. All right, so you put the mash in the middle, spread it around so it's a nice sort of pancakey mash in the middle. And we're going to take some of this balsamic glaze right here. And we're just going to dabble it right around the edge of the mash. Just like that, just so it kind of coagulates around the edge. All right, first piece of halibut, we're going to just place that right on the top there. Grab a couple of our French cut string beans. Put them right on top. And then we're gonna grab a couple of these bad boys right here. And we're gonna garnish it just like that. And voila.